Hello, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the DTMF KeyPad assignment we have to do for class. Go ahead and open it up. Sorry, I should have had this open before starting. Alright, so the first part of the rubric was to provide 16 buttons labeled as shown 1, 2, 3, 0, A, B, C, D, which if you go ahead and I think it should open on its own. Let this open. I do have a 0 through 9 pound symbol asterisk 0 ABCD. The color's a little messed up at the moment because there's actually a faulty error I have in my thing that I cannot figure out how to do, but we'll get to that later. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the parts I do have correct. Buttons are spaced and expanded evenly, very evenly between each. The title has been changed to DTMF tool. The GGC colors are somewhat here. These buttons are supposed to be green. I can show you here real quick. Go here into the projects folder, and then I go into colors, XML. The primary color has been changed to green. It's just, like I said, there's an error that I'm trying to fix. And so we move on to the next part. Provide a verbose log output displaying which key was tapped. So that's the error I actually do have. If I go ahead and do DTMF tool and press this, it shows that I clicked the microphone. That's good. But the only issue I have at the moment, which I cannot figure out how to do, is the 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Oops. So the 1, 2, 3s cannot get to work. So if I delete this right here real quick, show you that if I click any of these, none of them work. I was trying to do an array for each button to see if it was being selected. I did a for loop, to obviously make sure they're being highlighted. And then I put the selections in the onClick listener. So every time onClick is being called and the button with the ID is being pressed, it'll print out each time with the DTMF tool selected with a message of 0, right, or whatever number is being selected. But for some odd reason it does not work, and I'm not 100% sure why. Could not figure that out. But I do have the DTMF tool for my logout for all of them, as you can see here. Oops, doing that. Leave a placeholder graphic. The placeholder, this is the placeholder. It's a little bit different on the KeyPad Party app. Sorry, not the KeyPad Party app. I get that confused. On the DTMF design portion of the application of Android Studio. It's inside of a text view, and then there's a button inside of that, and the microphone is inside. And then the microphone showing as shown here, and then it does, every time you click on the microphone, it does do what it needs to do, except for the obvious the buttons from 1 through 9. And then I've done that. So everything else works. The only thing I couldn't get with work is the 1, 2, 3, because I don't know. And that's all I can say.